We'll guide you through how to block a specific app or program from accessing the internet in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason, you don't want an app accessing the internet. To get started, you need to press search at the bottom and go and type in Firewall and find Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. Click there. Next, you need to come over to the left and we're going to need to repeat this in inbound and outbound, but we'll start with inbound. What we need to do is go and locate the application we want to do this with. So you can go and search for it at the bottom. For example, I may go and search for Audacity, right click on it and press open file location. This is just a shortcut. So right click this and you need to go and press open file location. You want to then right click on it and you can go and press copy as path. Return to Firewall here and go over to the right and press new rule. Now what you need to do is select program, press next. You need to go and paste in the path. So right click and press paste. Remove the symbols at the start and the end though, like this. Press next at the bottom. Press block the connection, press next. Have these all selected, press next. Give this a name, I just name it the application and press finish. Now go to the left and press outbound rules, come to the right and press new rule and repeat. Press finish and that's it, we've now blocked it.